Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Basumitra Ghosh Mukherjee. I'm the Senior Faculty and HOD of LGAT Kolkata campus. I welcome you all to this orientation program and to the Department of Leather Goods and Accessories Design. The Leather Goods course is a very lucrative career option, especially now, because as you all know that it's the time of the pandemic and everywhere there is an insecurity that what is going to come forward, what is there for us in the future. But as every cloud has a silver lining, the leather goods industry also has a silver lining to itself for the future prospects. You would not be knowing that India is the fifth largest exporter of leather goods after China. And China is the largest exporter, was rather the largest exporter. So there were a lot of foreign brands, a lot of companies, foreign companies, who would prefer to buy their products from China, which now are shifting to India, because India promises to give good quality products at reasonable prices, and the ones that are curated by the designers, by the production professionals, by the merchandisers, that are produced by institutes like FDDI. Hence, welcome aboard, and we hope that we will be able to give you a very bright future. Thank you.
School of Leather Goods and Accessory Design FDDI Kolkata has been conferred with the status of Center of Excellence. It offers undergraduate program in leather goods supported with hands-on training, real-life studios and live projects under the guidance of faculty, par excellence and industry experts.
A career in leather goods and accessories design is a lucrative option in India as well as abroad. The School of Leather Goods and Accessories Design offers bachelor's program to impart in-depth training in the area of fashion leather goods, garments and accessories design. The leather design program at FDDI is exclusive in its structure and application to the leather, fashion and accessories industry. It focuses on curating design techno-professionals in the field of leather products, leather garments and lifestyle accessories across the 5 campuses at Kolkata, Noida, Chennai, Chandigarh and Hyderabad. The trained graduates aim at augmenting technical and production support for manufacturers, buyers and other trade facilitators by amalgamating design concepts with material and technical understanding. A multidisciplinary approach and acquaintance to the industry is created through field trips, tannery training, industry internships and dissertation projects, which are fundamental part of the curriculum. If designing is your passion, then leather goods and accessories design can be your ticket to the glamour world.
Hello, a very good morning to one and all who are watching this video. Myself Prasenjit Dey. At the very outset, I would like to thanks to the FDDI family first, and I would also like to thanks to the Department of Leather Goods and Accessories Design, which has immensely helped me to succeed. It was a wonderful feeling and experience at FDDI Kolkata, with excellent exposure provided across various platforms. The faculty members are very supportive and encourage. FDDI targets overall developments of every single student. Placement activities are very effective. They train their student in such a way so that they can face the interview very confidently. The overall ambience of the campus is very positive and the overall experience is very good. Before thank you, I would like to add some more lights on leather designing. Leather designing is one of the most rapidly growing fields nowadays in our fashion industry. Leather goods manufactured in India, such as shoes, bags, belts, are in high demands in India as well as in international market. So therefore, one can make change in their life with the right step. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shaza Singh from 2013 batch. I'm here to share my experience of FDDI. It was one of the best campuses that I've ever seen. I've learned a lot in FDDI Kolkata. They have actually taught me how to make leather, what are the complications in leather, and what will be the complications in bag, how to make patterns, how to do everything from top to bottom in accessories. It is one of the most important things that one can learn in a campus. Now everyone will be saying, when you interact with people, everyone will be saying that factory is different, or when you work, the working experience is different, and when you actually study those things, that is way different. But in FDDI, I couldn't find the difference. It was so simple for me after coming out of FDDI that I could actually relate to stuff what I was studying there in my studies, what I was studying there in my college. So it wasn't something different for me. It was not altogether a new experience because I was knowing my work. I knew how to do merchandising. I knew how to, make leather, or what will be the complications and what I need in leather and how it has to be done. It is all because of this campus. It is all because of the faculties who has taught us. So it is one of the best experiences that I had because of this knowledge, because of FDDI, what FDDI has given me, and the knowledge that it has given me. I have I have been into a top 5 export houses, and AVT. I was working in AVT, AV Thomas Leather Export House. It comes under one of the top 5 export houses in India. It is very difficult to crack their interview. It is very difficult to get into AVT. But because of my knowledge, because of my work, and because of the faculties, those who have supported me, I could get into the industry. So it was easy for me, and FDDI actually makes it easy. Kolkata campus makes it easy, even easier for us. So I hope you all will be enjoying your studies here, and I hope you all will be having a good future, a better future. Thank you all.
Hello guys, my name is Indaraj, and I'm the ex-student of FDDI Kolkata campus 2010 to 2013 batch. I really feel proud on being a student of FDDI. I'm working in Delhi in a buying house at the moment, and I really feel proud, and I always thank my professor. Like what I have achieved today, it's all about by their guidance, under their guidance, and their blessings are always there with me, where I have achieved the position which I am holding at the moment. It's really give me a great pleasure. So always thank you Basumitra ma'am, Rekha ma'am, and Abhijit sir. Thank you very much.